Rebuild 2.0. Tear it down using the same case, Corsair Obsidian 650 Delta. And yeah, it's gonna look good. This time just going through making the wiring better. I also moved the hard drive cage from up here down here. Some more airflow. Traditional hard drives, I do video editing. SSDs for gaming. And then all that'll go back in. And using the same good power supply, using it again. HX 750. Come to the back. And then we just turn this. And still working on all the cable wiring before everything goes in, but it will come out good. All the hookups are right there, so it's just kind of wiring it and then zip tying it, but it'll be good. There's the motherboard, processor, the big beast SEP 2070. It's the old 480. It's got a quick swap drive, which I'll hopefully be using. 200mm fan. So yeah, that's the tear down right now. More to come later.